Hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD beta video. So today we are in downtown at lunchtime. We're going to plug in a few waypoints and we'll see how FSD is going to do. We're still on 11.4.7, so nothing much has changed. We still have the same issue with the windshield wiper going off, setting off every morning. During the daytime, obviously it doesn't do that, so I'm not sure like what is the trigger there. Maybe it's just the low sunlight angle and all that stuff. So yeah, hope you folks like this video. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel. It'll help me a lot. I've got a code for my referral also. I'll display it down at the bottom of this video for a while. So if you are looking at buying any Teslas, please go ahead and use my referral code. Even if you're booking a demo, actually use my referral code. It'll help me get some referral points, and then that way I can get on some of those factory tours that they're showing up these days. So okay, did this very well. It's choosing the first lane, instantly finds out that it's blocked and then goes off, and now it's changing lanes to follow route. Surprisingly very agile. I think I've actually set this up to assertive this time around, and we still have a delta of 4 kilometers an hour. Actually, let me get rid of that delta just to give this a fair rating, and then let's keep it on average as well. Here we go. Coming up to this right turn over here, it is choosing to stick on the second turning lane, which is okay. That's pretty good. So obviously it's going to wait for the pedestrians to cross right now. There's also a cyclist coming in. Okay. So it should technically go after this person crosses. Okay, and here we go. It's clear right now. Alright, that's good. It's just, I just wish that the car drives a little bit into the intersection just to show the urgency on the turn. That's my only criticism over here. But, yeah, it's okay. It's not bad. It's doing it properly and safely, so that's the important part. And this is a little bit of a weird intersection. It's going to have to go a little bit around obstacles. And wow, really good acceleration there once that pedestrian has crossed. This is really cool. Like, it's doing this by itself. Like, I'm not doing anything. And a nice gap over here, taking it instantly. So our left lane is over here. It's closed, but we can still do a turn on the second lane. And yeah, a little bit of phantom braking there for, not really sure. I think it's because of the construction on the first turning lane here. Does this turn okay? It's just a little bit hesitant. It's just a little bit worried about the construction. So I'm just gonna get it to go straight over here, just because my waypoint is kind of screwed up a bit. I will actually just turn into this lane. And once I pass that lane, I'm gonna trigger it so that it goes, so that we can go to our next destination. Okay, so here we go. And it does take the turn. Perfect. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. It's interesting, it shows the closed lane sign as a car. It looks like a very tiny car, almost like a smart car. That's flashing in and out now. we are headed straight on, so we're going to see how this drive goes, and then we have one more waypoint. There's a cyclist coming in from our left-hand side. Shows up just briefly. Great acceleration to get in over here. It is kind of freaking out because of the construction lane over here, the closed lane. Okay, decides to go on the second lane here to continue straight on, and that is the correct way. Actually, that is very smart, and it took that decision very aggressively. If you noticed, should stop here. Here we go. Nicely done. Good job, FSD. It's creeping a little bit forward, but I'm just hoping it's going to evidently stop. It should stop. That's a weird inching forward behavior. I haven't seen that before. Okay, we've got the green light. It's kind of freaking out because of that cyclist, so I'm going to give it a tap here. Okay, and we're off. I just don't want the person behind me to honk. And we are quite slowing down here, and due to that cyclist, it's kind of being detected as a motorcycle over here, which is false. Oh, that's not good at all. That is going pretty wild there. Like, I didn't disengage, but I should have disengaged, to be honest. I just was curious to see if it's gonna make it, to be honest. And then here we go. One last. And to be honest, like, if you're cycling next to me in a very narrow street like that, I am actually okay. It's stopping pretty far here. It's pretty far. Okay, I'm gonna hit continue trip. Right, I'm gonna be that annoying person over here and try and take over. Let's engage. And it's a green light, so we should be able to go. There we go. Okay, so yeah, the tight road with the cyclist next to me, that wasn't really super well done. It's a blocked road over here. We should be able to. And I'm gonna. Let's see. Actually, I'm curious. Okay, there's a car coming up behind me. So. Oh wow! Look at that. It does actually go over the yellow lane. Isn't that weird? Like, how does it know? It's so. How does it know? It's probably enough training that, like, tells it. Like, if there's a blocked lane, a complete blocked way, then you're going to be sharing the reverse lane. Look at this. It's like it's very confident. Oh, okay. So there's a cone over here, and it's going to slow down quite a bit for it. Another one over here. I'm sure it's going to slow down quite a bit over here, too. I don't know what that car's doing. Whoa. Okay, so here's where the confusion comes. Okay, that's a proper takeover disengagement there. Hopefully it doesn't plow on these pedestrians here. Obviously it doesn't do it, because it just sees its people, so it's supposed to go straight away. So yeah, construction, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. I don't know, folks, what do you think? I mean, look at this Cone City over here. Cone City. And again, folks, if you are enjoying this content, please hit like and please subscribe to my channel. Helps me a lot, helps the algorithm. If you're watching this on X, please repost and leave me a comment. It's I'm tapping on the accelerator right now. Come on, buddy. Come on, you can do it. What is it doing? Okay, I'm not even entirely sure anymore. That van behind me, I'm telling you, Okay, I am going to overtake over here and just get it to go in. Actually, we can't do that because that's a one-way road. Interesting. Yeah, it was very reluctant to go in there. Let's do the whole circling thing. Or actually, let's put in a waypoint over here and let's do this one here. This is quite tough. Okay, so here we've got a destination now. Yeah, we're gonna have to take a left turn soon over here. So this is an unprotected left. It's obviously probably gonna wait for that SUV. And there's some pedestrians. Is it gonna take it over here? No, it's gonna still wait. We are getting the orange. Alright, so it hasn't really inched in forward, so I don't want to tap the accelerator and force it to do it. I just want to see how it does this. Obviously, we are going to get a protected left right now coming up soon. But, the usual way of driving, at least over here in our area, is that if it turns into an orange, you're going to start creeping forward and waiting until the traffic stops in the opposing direction, and then you just commit for your turn, because that's legal. That's the way it's legally allowed. But FSD kind of doesn't like creep in forward to the intersection, so it makes it kind of an awkward situation. So anyways, that's my little rant about this. Unprotected lefts in our area here. So we've got the green light. I'm sure the person behind me is going to start honking at me. Alright, so it's got to commit right now. Let's do it. Commit. Do it. I'm going to give it a tap. Yeah, I've got the honk. I would have honked at someone at that point too. So, yeah. Alright, I'm not really sure why it's doing that. Like, it really needs to start inching forward. And that partly has to do with the way they're gathering their training videos. They're not really looking at different areas and applying different driving techniques in different areas. It's kind of like they're getting their truth source like from one place and then implementing it everywhere, which doesn't work for every geographical area. So that's and let me know in the comments below if you agree with me or not, and do you see something similar like that happening? So those kind of behaviors have to be changed a little bit so that it kind of works for your own geographical area. Okay, so we've got a situation here. We've got a blocked road, so let's see what FSD is going to do. So we've got the green light. And we're coming to a complete stop. So I am going to intervene over here just because there's a car coming up behind me. It's a shame. I really wanted it to do that turn because it's a difficult one, but we'll get to it later and next time. So hope you folks like this video, and please hit subscribe, and if you're watching this on X, please repost. If you're looking at buying a Tesla, use my referral link. I'll post it down at the bottom of the video. That way you'll get $500 off your next vehicle, and you'll also get 3 months off FSD. Committing to this, but right now we're in a sticky situation. We need to change lanes. And it's slowing down to let that car take over. Okay, so that was good. Like, I was watching my side mirror, and I can see the cars like slowing down. FSD does not really take that that cue as a proper hint to like I'm giving you away. But in the same time, the person is still accelerating and trying to continue on with his lane. So, but FSD slowed down at that point, and it kept playing that game of slowing down and trying to turn and all that stuff and change lanes until it actually got the opportunity to do it. So pretty good. I'm not too I'm happy about that. So we've reached our destination over here. That's why I'm going to take over. So hope you folks like this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Hope you folks have a nice day.